The coronavirus disease 2019 spares no one, whether the rich or the poor, ordinary citizens or famous personalities. Anyone can be infected by the dreaded disease. Among the famous personalities who got infected with COVID-19 is Hollywood actor Tom Hanks. On March 11, Hanks posted on his Twitter account saying he and his wife got infected with COVID-19. Game of Thrones star Christopher Hivju also tested positive based on his Twitter post on March 16. While singer Pink posted on her Instagram account her coronavirus diagnosis, saying she and her son visited their doctor after experiencing COVID-19 symptoms. The famous author of the Harry Potter books, J.K. Rowling, was also reported to have contracted the virus but has recovered thankfully. Despite having healthy physique, athletes were not spared by the COVID-19 pandemic. As NBA two-time most valuable player Kevin Durant also tested positive for COVID-19. Blaise Matuidi, who won the World Cup with the French national team Juventus in 2018, also tested positive for COVID-19 on March 27, as well as tennis player Novak Djokovic, the world number 1 in men's single tennis. Several politicians have also been found positive for COVID-19. United Kingdom Prime Minister Boris Johnson and Jair Bolsonaro, Brazil's president, have been infected by the virus. Even the royals are not immune from COVID-19. The eldest son of Queen Elizabeth II, Prince Charles, also contracted the virus, as a spokesperson of the Prince of Wales stated on March 25. Another royal, Prince Albert II of Monaco, became the second royal and the first head of state to be found COVID-19 positive, while Maria Teresa, the Spanish Princess of Bourbon-Parma, became the first royal to die from COVID-19 at the age of 86. In the Philippines, several personalities also got infected with SARS-CoV-2, the virus that is responsible for COVID-19. These include Senator Sonny Angara, Senator Miguel Zubiri, and Senator Coco Pimentel. The President's Cabinet members, DILG Secretary Eduardo Año, Education Secretary Leonor Briones, as well as DPWH Secretary Mark Villar, were also forced to quarantine themselves for a time after being infected. Quezon City Mayor Joy Belmonte also tested positive and had just recently recovered, while former COMELEC Chairman Sixto Brillantes is currently in critical condition. These are just some of the famous personalities in different parts of the world that have been infected with COVID-19, proving that the disease spares no one. With the growing number of COVID-19 positive patients in the country, authorities advise the public to follow the minimum health and safety protocols such as wearing of face masks, frequent washing of hands, and maintain physical distancing. National Task Force Deputy Chief Implementer and Testing Czar Vince Dizon cited reports from the World Health Organization that following these health protocols could significantly decrease the chance of getting infected with COVID-19. Vincent Arboleda, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people. We give glory to God.